Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I don't know what I'm doing. Today's video, as you could tell by the title, is going to be a January favorites, and I don't really do favorites videos, but I actually had some favorites to mention. Thought it would amuse y'all, you know. So before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn that little, like, click the little bell wherever it is down there by the big subscribe button, so then you can get notified when I upload, because YouTube has just been on one, and yeah, so make sure you get notified when I upload. But yeah, let's get into the video. I have been digging, loving, living, breathing the Iced Blonde Americano from Starbucks. It is really good. It has like no calories. You just like drink it black, you know, and ooh, it's really good. It gets you a freaking coffee buzz up the wazoo, and it's amazing. My homegirl Gianna showed me that. Thank you, love you. Yeah, and it's amazing. I love it, live and breathe it. It has not replaced my usual venti vanilla iced coffee with coconut milk, because I still love that, but it's definitely a runner-up. It's right there trailing behind it, you know. Then just for some favorite music lately, so my favorite Spotify playlists that I've been playing a ton lately are the 90s Pop Rock Essentials by Spotify, the Bring Back the 90s by Spotify. As you can tell, I'm in a 90s kick right now. You know, I just go through these waves where I need the songs of like my generation, you know what I'm saying? And Sweater Weather by Kaylin Nicholson. She's another YouTuber. I love her. She's like actually one of my favorite YouTubers. But yeah, I don't really go on Spotify except for like the playlists. So I would tell you guys to follow my Spotify, but I don't use it except for when listening to other playlists. So yeah. But those are some of my favorite playlists. Some of my favorite songs right now are Mine by Bazzi. So that's a bop. And Drake's, his new songs that came out on Scary Hours, God's Plan.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry.
And Finesse by Bruno Mars featuring Cardi B. That just give me like, I think that's what triggered my little like bringing back up this like 90s itch that I've been having, was this song. I was like, Yeah, so I really like that song. I hope my little white girl dancing and bad lip syncing didn't like traumatize you. Sorry if it did. Yeah, so those are just some of my favorite songs, and I wanted to incorporate some music into these January favorites whenever I do make monthly favorites. If you like this, make sure you comment though. The lighting changed and something just like looks off. I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to mention a couple like clothing pieces, accessories, you know. So first off, these are cute little like gold cross earrings from Dakini Jewelry. I will link them down below, and these have just been my go-to little earrings to put in, you know, if I just want to like, I need some kind of accessory, kind of like today, I just throw these little bad babes in, and they're so cute. I'm not really one for gold jewelry, but I'm definitely changing my mind. I'm coming around. I've been buying some gold jewelry lately, because these were like the first pieces of gold jewelry I've had in like forever. So yeah, I'll leave these linked down below. They're just adorable tiny little crosses. And then from Romwe, I have just this black, it's just a plain black t-shirt that I've really been loving, and then it has this graphic on like the left hand side. Little I love you, because that's I love you in sign language. But yeah, just a fave. You know, I love my basic black tees. Now the lighting, I look really white now with this. Wow. Love this. I'd try it on for you guys, but it's literally just a black tee and it has this graphic on it. Yeah. I have been flaunting this in my Instagram story. Once again, follow me on Instagram. And it's another item from Romwe, and it's this big like boyfriend jacket. I'll throw up a pic from the many times I've worn it this past month. But it's just super, super distressed. It's all distressed like on the back, on the front, and it's just baggy. I cuff the sleeves. It just makes them a little comfortable because the sleeves are just a tiny long on me. So with this one cuff, then it's perfect length. They have pockets on the front. Again, I'll pop up a pic of me wearing it. I have just been wearing this jacket like crazy, especially since it's been pretty chilly in Arizona lately. And when I say chilly, like I mean it's been actually like chilly. Like chilly enough to layer and wear this awesome like boyfriend denim jacket. And now, since I have this denim jacket, I got rid of one of my other denim jackets because, you know, I'm still trying to be more minimal. Maybe I'm not a full-on minimalist, but I'm still trying to be minimal. So yeah, I got this, which replaced one of my old jackets. So I definitely recommend. I'll leave the link down below, duh, of course. So getting into the beauty part, because like that's where these monthly favorites thrive, am I right? If you guys follow me on Instagram, which one you should, self-promo, follow me on Instagram. But for Christmas, I got the Fenty lip gloss. I'm wearing it right now. This has just been my go-to. Like, if I just kind of look normal, but I just want to spice it up, I'll just throw some of this on because it's a nice, natural color, but it's still some poppin' gloss. You know, my lip gloss is popping. It's popping. Then also, I'm bringing back the Laura Mercier Radiance Foundation Primer. This is a little sample I got as a little gift from Sephora. You know, I still haven't gone through it, but I just been picking it up a lot lately again because my skin has been drier, so it just makes me look a little bit more like dewy but not oily whenever I put it underneath my foundation. So this is another one that I've been loving, oldie but a goodie. Not that old, but you know what I mean? I've just been picking it up a lot, so I wanted to include it. Then also something I got for Christmas is the Tarte Blush Bazaar. I don't know if that's how you say it. Sorry. But it is the Tarte Blush Palette, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 8 blushes and 2 highlights, and I have just been grabbing this every single time I put a blush on my face. My favorite from it has been Angelic, and my favorite out of the 2 highlights is Whimsical. I'm wearing that like on my nose and my Cupid's bow right now, but yeah, I've really been liking Angelic and Authentic, except I don't like this. It's just like, I get it, I get the point of it, because like then the product will touch each other, but it's very annoying. But this is the only reason why I don't like it. But overall, I have been using this like crazy. Shout out to my sister for getting it for me for Christmas. Then, of course, another Fenty Beauty product because I'm late to this freaking Fenty Beauty bandwagon train. Not really bandwagon because it's amazing. Who's calling me? Dylan's calling me. Hi Dylan, I'm making a video and you're on speaker.
Oh, what's up, world?
What?
Okay, well, don't get this on camera. I just got this news, and I don't know how to process it. I can tell somebody about it.
Okay, what's up? That is my friend Dylan. I think I'm going to bring him on my channel sometime because he is so funny. But anyways, back to Fenty Beauty, and I can't freaking open this thing. Oh, there we are. I'm just an idiot. Surprise. But my friend Price, the best person in the world, got me the Killawatt highlighter in Trophy Wife. And, you know, it's a little intimidating. The, like, straight up gold. It matches my shirt. But I actually freaking love it. I live for it. I don't really use it much as a highlight, but I, like, put it, like, I use it as, like, a eyeshadow or, like, festivals and crap. Oh, my God. This is going to be amazing. This is going to be amazing as like a strong ass highlight for a festival. So thank you, Price. You're the real winner here. You're the real homie. And the last item I'm going to be talking in my January favorites. If you're a guy, you might want to leave the video at this point because the female anatomy, like if it really freaks you out, makes you queasy, you can just leave, okay? Sorry. But they're tampons, and you know, it's a weird thing to talk about in a January favorites video, but the Sustain natural tampons are actually amazing. So I saw this on Facebook, like one of those informational, like infomercial videos on Facebook, and they always kind of look like gimmicks, but then I really looked into it, and tampons, like normal everyday tampons, they have so many chemicals in those tiny little sticks of cotton, and you are quite literally putting them inside your body, and they have so many chemicals. So Sustain Natural is an all-natural, organic, 100% cotton tampon with no chlorine bleach, no rayon, no dyes or fragrances, and no synthetic super absorbents. But it is still super absorbent. But yeah, it's an awesome service. It's like a every other month service, so they mail them to you. You go online, fill out your personal things like how long your period lasts and how heavy your flow is and everything. Oh, mean girls.
I can't help it if I've got a heavy flow and a wide set vagina.
And then they send you a box that has enough for you. So it's a personalized box of tampons. You can also like put in how many supers and how many regulars you want, because sometimes you don't always need an entire box of supers, okay? You know, maybe you just have that one day. We all know that one day. But yeah, this is not an ad, not paid, like not sponsored or anything. I just really wanted to talk about these because I think women's health is really important, and tampon and pad, like those companies, they're not required to put the ingredients on the box. And that's kind of really freaking sketchy. I'll leave the link to this as well as everything else I mentioned down below, but you guys should totally read up about these. They're awesome, and yeah, I love it. It's great. Women's health, keep improving. So that is it for this January favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little different. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make these a little bit more of a thing on my channel. But of course, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that little bell and turn on notifications for my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. New videos every Wednesday. Thank you. All right, I love you. Bye guys.